The window master switch on your Toyota controls all windows. Resetting or relearning synchronizes the switch with window positions, fixing issues like auto up-down failures after battery disconnections, switch replacements, or electrical glitches. This guide offers a general process for most Toyota models from 1995 to 2025. Newer models 2023 Plus may have self-calibrating systems, but manual resets remain relevant, especially in older or modified vehicles. According to recent data from RepairPal 2025, 12% of Toyota owners report power window problems, with resets solving 90% of these issues without needing new parts. Mechanics suggest that 70% of window issues stem from switch wear rather than motor problems. The reset procedure is DIY-friendly, potentially saving you money compared to dealership service. Begin by ensuring all windows are fully closed. Turn the ignition to the on position with the engine off. Briefly disconnect and reconnect the battery's negative terminal to reset the system. For the driver's window, hold the driver's master switch down until the window is fully down, then hold up until fully up. Repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times to calibrate. For each passenger window, hold the corresponding switch down for 5 to 10 seconds, then up for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this twice for each passenger window. Turn the ignition off, then back on. Test all windows to ensure one-touch operation works properly. If issues persist, check the PWR-WDO fuse in the fuse box. Verify 12 volts at the switches using a multimeter. For 2012 and newer models with Express Up features, add an extra up hold during calibration. Consult your vehicle's manual for model-specific instructions. Prioritize electrical safety by disconnecting the battery first. This process takes about 10 to 20 minutes.